grandmother at 71, Radhamani Amma drives and holds driving license for 11 types of vehicles including JCB, excavators, road rollers and cranes. In 1978, Radhamani's husband T.V. Lal opened a driving school and suggested that his wife learn the art of driving. It was here that Radhamani developed a passion for driving. For 11 vehicles, but she isn't done yet. Interestingly, Radhamani is still a student at the age of 71. She is doing a diploma course in mechanical engineering at Kalamase Polytechnic. At the same time, she is a teacher for several young women who find a lot of job opportunities abroad if they learn how to drive heavy vehicles. Kudos to her for blazing a trail for other women to follow.